Hi everyone. So today we're going to go over CareerShift, which is a really powerful tool that UC pays for us to access that can really be a huge help in finding a co-op. So in order to access CareerShift, we're going to go to uceng.careershift.com. And this takes you to UC's College of Engineering and Applied Science homepage for CareerShift. So once you get to this page, you're going to want to click Sign Up Now. And then you'll just sign up with your name, email address, make sure you're using your UC email, phone number, password, security questions, all the standard. But something that's really important is making sure that you have your school identifier here, UC, capital UC, Eng, in order to make sure that you're going to get the paid version and not just the 7-day free trial. And UC does sponsor this, so again, make sure that you have that so you can get the full experience. So I've already made an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And this takes you to CareerShift's homepage. So once you get on this homepage, you're going to click on Jobs and Search. And then this is where they have all their different job listings. And the search feature is super powerful. And there's a lot of different keywords that you can search. So for example, you could just search co-op or intern. You could search for computer engineering co-op and software co-op, hardware co-op, whatever your interest is in, the keyword search is going to pull jobs for that specifically. So say that you're really interested in cybersecurity, you could search cybersecurity co-op, app development, whatever it is, this will pull those specific jobs. But definitely make sure that you're not limiting yourself to only searching for computer engineering co-op, because there are a lot of jobs out there that do not go by that identifier. So say, for example, we want to search for a software engineering intern. We'll go ahead and do that, click search, and this pulls all of the different jobs, 542 found jobs for software engineering interns. So lots of different places here across the country. Say, okay, cool, I'm super interested in doing an autopilot software engineering internship at Tesla. So you can go ahead and click on that link, and that'll take you directly to Tesla's application for that position. So it doesn't take you to a third-party site or anything like that. It takes you straight to that job. We'll wait for that to load for a minute. But another really powerful part about this CareerShift tool is the ability to find contacts. So if you just click on the job, find contacts here, it pulls 5,000 different contacts from Tesla. So that's anything from HR to actual engineers to directors, everything in between. And it has their email, sometimes even a phone number that you can contact them at. So this is super, super valuable because it allows you to get direct contact with these people. And so one thing that you could do would be to search for the university recruiter. So you could directly talk to people who recruit the interns. Or you could search the name, like the position of the job that you're looking for. So looks like this finally loaded. It brought us to the System Software Engineering Internship on Tesla's website. So we could search by position for systems software. And that'll take you directly to the autopilot system software engineer. And so that way, that's the person who would most likely be your manager for this position. And you could directly email them so that they can show you the type of position that would be available. So you could say in your email to this person, say, hi, my name is Sydney O'Connor. I'm really interested in the autopilot position at Tesla. Like my experience is blah, 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 blah. I want to do this position because blank, attach a copy of your resume, ask if you could set up an informational interview to learn more about the position. So that's a great way to get your foot in the door. And then again, like I mentioned before, another option would be just to email the HR recruiter. But there's so many different jobs that you can look through on here. Say you don't know what position you want, but you want to be in California. So you could turn on this advanced search feature, look specifically for jobs in California. You could even specify it by city. Say you want to be in San Francisco. You could do that. You can look for your job type. So that's where you can specify an internship. a salary estimate, level of experience, everything like that. And it'll pull up all of those different jobs. So this is a really great way to specifically look for jobs that you know you will be interested in, narrow things down by field of interest, by location, by company. You can do it by company size. You can look for just all positions at a specific company. There's a lot of different options here, so it gives you the ability to be really specific and intentional in the way that you do search. But overall, it's a pretty intuitive tool. I definitely recommend using it since UC does pay for it and there are so many different opportunities with it. And again, the biggest draw here is just that ability to contact the people that work at the company. So use it to the best of your ability. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. There's a lot of other resources online about CareerShift, and UC has some other videos and things posted about how to use it if you have any trouble. But yeah, thank you, and hope you guys can all get something out of this.